over our car.
Wait, did you click the color mode?
What's that, Sarah?
The color mode?
What does that mean?
Like where?
Where's the 3 color foam?
Yeah.
I don't know if this wash has that or not.
It's a touchless wash. Here goes the bar thingy.
Looks like it's just 1 color foam, Sarah.
Oh, it says try foam right there.
Oh, we got tricolor foam coming up later, Sarah.
Oh, did you pay for that?
I don't remember.
Here comes back. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. That's all YouTubers say.
John, are you feeling good since you pooped your pants earlier?
That seriously. Yeah, my dad makes potty jokes all the freaking time.
We'll buy you new shorts, don't worry. We'll put your poopy shorts in the garbage.
Dad, this is going on YouTube. You know that, right?
Man, it's hot in here now.
John, it's fine. You can have your milky when we get home.
Really, Sarah? Really? Whee! The light thingy! The bar. You got windshield wipers? Get that. Yeah. Yeah, that was satisfying. Car wash ASMR. My dad thinks my ASMR videos are so funny. Let's see what's next. So it's cleaning right now.
Should go to washing. Oh, tri-foam. Here's the
Tri-foam! Sarah, here's the color foam! It's the colors! See, it's colors!
Oh my god, that's this pink!
Oh, it's so colorful! Yeah, my sister really likes the tri-foam. Is he gonna spray it again, Sarah?
Hopefully.
Maybe. Oh, now it's on washing. It's spraying my dad's windshield. It probably will burst from the water pressure now. Now our windshield up! There's still foam on my window.
John, point it to your window. Point it to your window.
Alright, I am. Alright, it should come back now. I'm pointing it towards my window, because my sister told me to. There's still colors from that foam earlier. Yo, is it coming or not?
It's on the back of the truck right now.
Oh, now
Here it comes.
here it comes. It's gonna spray my window! Wow! Here comes the splat. Here comes the sealant.
Well, what is that for?
Oh,
Yeah, it's on sealant right now, guys. Oh, that one's so free. Oh, spot free, I mean. Wow.
That's like my favorite part.
Oh, we're done. Here comes the dryer. The dryer that would probably kill me. It's so loud. Alright guys, that was a car wash. You better subscribe if you like this video.